Okay, listen. It's been about a month now that Audrey has been using Donna's recipe. She's gotten a little bougie since she's been using Donna's recipe. So yeah, she's tending to show out. I just wanted to come over here and talk about it. I'm going to be referencing my last video that I made of, the first time using it. And I'm going to show you the change Audrey has made. Let's get into it. It is the part right here, baby. Audrey and Adriana back there. Lord have mercy. Adriana, baby, is a whole nother, that's a whole nother section. And she shows out, all the way out. Y'all see her? Y'all see her. But look like Donna trying to get her together, though. Look like Donna trying to get her together all the way. Let's see if Donna can get Adriana. If Adriana can get it together back here, oh, we on point. We making strides. We making strides. Okay, y'all. I like it. I like it. That's why I always have to judge by this back part, because it's a whole different. I have to use different products for this back section of my hair. Is so different from the front. Okay, friends, so if you watched my last video, you will see how much frizz and maybe dryness that I had with my hair being color treated in my hair. Look at Audrey now. Look at Audrey. I washed and just shampooed my hair. I have not applied a leave-in conditioner. Where is the frizz? Where's the frizz? I don't have the frizz. Look at even the back section of my hair. When I tell you that Donna's recipe does make a difference, I've only been using it for a month, but I already see a huge difference. Just go back and look at my previous video and you will see the difference in my hair after just washing and doing the leave-in. Last week I did a twist out on wet hair, and it lasted me the whole week. My hair never does that. On twist outs, the twists come down. The curls were so defined. I hate I didn't film it, but I will be filming some different things with my hair, you guys, because I'm really in love with this stuff, and I think it does good for your hair. It's making my hair stronger. The softness of it. My husband was touching my hair, and he was like, "Dog, your hair is soft." It's a different kind of soft. I mean, it's like a natural soft. My hair has always been kind of coarse. It doesn't look like it, but it's kind of coarse, and it can feel dry. I had no dryness for a week. A whole week. Y'all, I'm telling you, you need to try this. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to just section off the back of my hair and we're going to start styling. I don't have the hair styler. I'm real funny about my stylers. I'm real funny about it. But I'm just going to basically do a leave-in. I'm going to do a wash and go and just kind of show you, what it's looking like at the moment compared to my last video. Okay? Okay, friend. This is the back section of Audrey. Okay, if you look at the last video, you're going to see a huge difference. The dryness, the frizziness. Now, my hair is always going to have a little frizz to it, but it's not the same. You can't tell me that this is not the same, that it's more moisturized and it's different. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this sweet potato pie extra creamy leave-in conditioner, and I usually just take a little section. I'm not going to do my whole head because I got so much I got to do today, but I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and show you how I do it. I'll just put a little bit of this and just work it in, finger it through. Because I don't really use a lot of styler. I don't like a lot of crispiness. I like my hair to be kind of big and fluffy. So sometimes I do use stylers. But look at me just running that through. Look at the difference. Donna, you have got Audrey to behave. She is behaving. I can't believe this, especially this back section. My hair does not do this, the feel of it. Sometimes I use 4 and 5 products. In this section right here, she ain't having it. But she's different. She's tamed. Oh my goodness, you guys. And it feels so soft. It feels healthy. It feels softer. Like I said, I have all this color in my hair. It feels different. It's giving different, okay? Okay, I'm done with the back section. I just ran just the leave-in conditioner on this section. And it's gonna dry real airy and fluffy. That's the way I want it. It's not super defined, but the ends are. So that's all I want, so I can have more volume. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole head, and I'll come right back. Okay, friend, I've just finished styling my hair with only the leave-in. Will you look at this shine? Where is Audrey's frizz, baby? Where is the frizz? Oh, just the leave-in. No styler. No styler, okay? My hair prefers only leave-ins. I've done a video before where I only use the IC. Now, the IC is good too, but we ain't talking about that right now. We're talking about Donna'S recipe. That's the only thing that I used. So I'm going to let this air dry. And y'all, I'm going to be real. Hold on. Let me get some of this out of my face. Let me get this out of my face. I'm going to be real with y'all. I thought about going back to the creamy crack because natural hair sometimes isn't always together. It's not always on point. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you do. And with the job I work, sweating, you know, it's like sometimes I get frustrated coming out of work looking like a frizz ball, coming out of work, you know, just hair on swole. I don't know. I thought about it because so many people are going back to the creamy crack. But with Donna'S recipe, my hair styling seems easier. My hair seems healthier. This is just me. My hair seems healthier. It seems easier. It seems stronger. It's softer. It's easier to deal with. I may just hang around a little bit, you know, and see what Donna can do for me. It's only been a month. It's only been a month. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it, you guys. I'm gonna let this air dry. I got some stuff to do, but I'm gonna get back to you and we're gonna see what it's looking like. Okay, disclaimer, my hair is not dry. It's probably 75% dry, so it's not in its full glory, but as you can see, look at the shine, look at the curl definition with one product. One product all I used was this leave-in conditioner. It speaks for itself, you guys. I absolutely love it. I have to come back. I'll just do a short or something. Look out for a short when my hair is fully dry, and maybe second day hair or something like that, so you guys can see how it lasts. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I was leaning towards going ahead and just getting a perm because, oh, just the manageability factor, especially with color treated hair. The manageability factor, the way it looks most of the time, dry, raggedy, we ain't doing that, you know? It's a new year, it's 2023, and we're trying to get it popping. We're trying to get ourselves together. You hear what I'm saying? So, yeah, you guys, I really love this product. I see the difference in my hair, the texture, the quality, the shine, the feel is soft. And like I said, all I used was Donna'S leave-in. And these are my results. Absolutely love it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you've tried this product, let me know how you feel. I see so many people saying the same thing as me, that it's helping their hair to grow. It's helping their hair in so many ways. It's stronger. And I'm telling you, something about that sweet potato is amazing. And it smells so good. But the thing about it, I don't walk around smelling like sweet potato. It's so faint. I mean, it's not like it interferes with your cologne, your perfume, anything. I absolutely love it. I can't wait for it to get dry. It's almost dry. I would say it's about 75% dry. Still very, very damp. But yeah, it's enough for you to see what's going on. Okay, so yes, leave me questions, leave me comments, questions, anything you want to know down below. I'm going to be making a few more other videos with different ways to style it, just using this one product. I don't have her styler. I will probably try the styler. My hair is just really funny. The less I put on it, the better for me. So that's why I usually just leave in. I'm not a gel person. I do use mousse. Maybe Donna's recipe can make a mousse. That would be nice. But yeah, this is going to be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more hair videos. I do makeup. I do hauls, shopping hauls, hygiene hauls, all of that. So yeah, join the crew, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. And take care.
Never know, felt like this before. I never know, felt the love like this. I never know, felt like this before. I never know, felt the love like this.